Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I introduce you to the gas burner connection parts information. Stay with me. So this is a Dungus gas valve unit which control flow and safety. So here is some connections also attached. This is the pressure gauge and gas pressure regulator is very important, and also gas flow meter. This is also very important. Here is a gas filter, okay, and the downside thermometer. So here is you see is a solenoid coils. So this is some important valves, which one gas burner connection is very important. So before you buying gas burner, you should be know these accessories is very important. After your burner will be start up, so you see now burner is on. You see indicator flame. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.